They're from Gwent, Crosskeys Campus. This is the first time that Crosskeys has submitted a band with original pieces from the students. The band have some songs in Gymraeg, in the Welsh language, and also utilise a laptop artist to create soundscapes as well. The band name came from the Black Vein Colliery in Risca. They've only been together, 6 rehearsals? So put together especially for this competition. So please let's hear it. The band from Gwent, Crosskeys Campus, the Black Veins!
We're a band called the Black Vein. We've prepared 3 original songs for you. We have Paper Skin, or Skin, Croen Papur. We have Empty Isn't Enough. And we also have The Mess You Made, all originals. We have I'm Daisy, the vocalist. We have Cat on guitar. We have Griff on bass. We have Seb, our electronic artist. We have Katie on keys. We also have Leon on the other keys. And we also have our drummer, Lewis. Thank you, diolch. I was lost in the dark of us, holding on so tight it started to hurt. I learned how much my heart could take before it finally started to ache. I thought you were the one for me, but you were who you claimed to be. I stayed quiet about the pain, afraid my truth would fall like rain. You broke me, and I'm not the same. Trying to learn how to breathe again, but your name still haunts me to this day.
Let's hear that for the Black Veins. And also let's hear it for Dave Bird and the rest of the team for putting all these different bands on and off and all of that. So a big round of applause for the PA boys, lighting and all of that. Just a quick chat, Daisy. Let's nice and close. So the band's only been going how long? Get nice and close to that.
Not that long, I think 2-3 months.
2 or 3 months, and 6 rehearsals, I think is what Griff told me. Bit more than that. Okay. Are you planning to keep the band together?
Hopefully, it would be fun.
It would be fun. Okay. So that's the Black Veins. They're from, where are you from?
Crosskeys College.
Crosskeys College. Fantastic. Okay, first entry from Crosskeys. Let's go to, I can't see who's got, it's Brooke. Brooke got the microphone? Brooke, what do you think?
I've got the mic. Hi guys. I got to say, you got to be really proud of that performance, especially only being together for 6 rehearsals. It takes time to find your sound as a band, and I think you're definitely on the way of finding that unique sound that you're trying to market as well. I really like the soundscapes you're experimenting with. I know, Rod, you should just be really proud of yourselves. And good job, guys.
Good job.
Really
okay,
good
thank you
job.
very much, Brooke Fox. Back to Sam, then Sam in the middle.
Yeah, well done, guys. That was cool. I really enjoyed all the different textures and the arrangements. Yeah, I also enjoyed the laptop stuff. That was really nice. As always, it's good to see the laptop involved. So
Fantastic.
yeah, well done.
Good. Simon, you're a big laptop man, aren't you?
I love laptops in live performance. That's awesome. It's great to see. It's great to hear. And it's unique, and it's something you should really tap into. I love the chill way you introduce the band. That's intimate. It's endearing, You got a nice blend of instrumentation with the technology and the live instruments. And as Brooke said and Sam said, a pure sonic landscape, lots of colours going on there. I think it is a phenomenal achievement, but really endearing to watch and listen. By the way, I think the second song, lovely catchy melody and the vocal is beautiful. Nice job.
Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Let's hear it one more time for the Black Veins. Terrific. Okay, guys, you clear the stage. Let me just say what's going to happen now. We're going to have one more band before our lunch break. Okay?